Hello, welcome everyone. Thanks for liking my videos. Today's another open house video located here in the village of Springdale in the northern part of the villages. We do have a 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom Amarillo model designer home. List price $299,900. Let's go inside, friends, and take a look. Hello, welcome everyone. Thanks for liking my videos and subscribing to my channel. Today's another open house video located here in the village of Springdale in the Villages, Florida. We do have a 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom Amarillo model designer home. List price $299,900. This home has a new roof that was replaced in the year 2019. The HVAC system was installed in the year 2016. Hot water heater was replaced in the year 2014. And it has a low bond balance of $1,924.50. The front of this home does face northeast. I will pan to my right. That is your street facing north. And that is your street facing south. As I walk up to this home, I do notice it has a brick paver driveway that appears to be in very good condition. This home does have a very deep setback with mature landscaping. It is a wood-framed home with a 2-car garage. And as always, friends, if you have any questions about this home, please contact your listing agents, Dennis and Lorna Raffeo. And that is your contact information. They can help you with any questions. As I walk up to the front of this home, I do notice that the sidewalk is also brick paver. It has a screened-in front seating area as well, which is always welcome. Have a screened-in front porch area. Very nice front porch area in this home. Let's go inside, friends, and take a look. Hello, Dennis. Can you describe a little bit about this home?
Well, this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom Amarillo Ranch home. It has crown molding, and it has the upgraded 5-inch baseboards. It has a beautiful flooring. It's a wonderful place to be. It does have a lanai that's enclosed. It's in the back, as well as the master bedroom. The primary bedroom is large and very accommodating for a couple.
Okay, thank you, Dennis. I'll take my subscribers through this home and describe what I see. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Here I am in the foyer area, and the first thing I notice is this beautiful laminate floor. Very high cathedral ceilings with acoustic texture. Very nice wide crown molding in this home as well. This is a split bedroom Amarillo model home. You do have a guest quarters off to the right. You see that laminate floors continuing. That is a guest bedroom in the front of the home. It has laminate floors as well. And you do see the crown molding continuing in this guest bedroom. This guest bedroom does have bifold doors as well. And I will show you what that looks like. It does have wire rack shelves in there. Back into the hallway. This is your guest bathroom. It has tile floors. It has a tub and shower surround. It is a 1-piece fiberglass / plastic module. It has a solar tube in the ceiling there as well. 1 sink, wood vanity as well. Light and bright, that's what this home is. Here's a guest bedroom toward the back of the home. Laminate floors, crown molding continues in this home. The back of this home does face southwest. This guest bedroom does have bifold doors as well. Show you what the closet looks like. That is your closet. Wire rack shelf. Back into that living area, I will show you what the kitchen looks like. I will take a video of the specification sheet. That kitchen has Formica countertops. It has a 2-bowl sink, wood cabinets. Backsplash is tile. Very nice backsplash. Natural gas stove as well. Very high acoustic textured ceilings. That is your island. Very nice woodwork. This home is located at 17648 Southeast 93rd Butler Court in the Villages, Florida. List price $299,900. Feel free to pause the specification sheet. New roof in 2019, HVAC in 2016, water heater in 2014. I will turn this specification sheet over to show you what that looks like. There are your room dimensions there. Primary bedroom is 13.2 by 14.8. Next, I will walk through the rest of this home. I will show you. The primary bedroom does have laminate floors. It is on the opposite side of the home as your guest area. Crown molding continues in this primary bedroom. Very large window as well. There is your primary bathroom and a walk-in closet right there. Primary bathroom has tile floors, Formica countertops, wood cabinets. It does have a shower module that is plastic or fiberglass right there. It is a one-piece shower module as well, friends. Less likelihood of leaks with a one-piece module. It has a solar tube in the ceiling, commode space right there. Bifold doors on the linen closet. That is your linen. That is extra deep linen closet right there, friends. Thank you for liking. Thank you for subscribing. Next, we'll walk into the primary closet. Laminate floors, high ceilings, lots of shelving units in that primary closet area. Next, I will walk into that garage space and show you what that looks like. This should be your utility room right there. Tile floors. That is where your washer and dryer would go. It looks like there is a gas hookup. If you wanted to have a gas dryer, you could. Let's take a walk into this garage space. This garage does have that rubber flooring in it. 2-car garage. There's your water heater there. It does have a water softening system as well right there, friends. That's your water heater. It does have the rubber floor panels in here. Shelving units as well. Next, I will walk out into the back of this home. I will show you that lanai area. The back of the home does face southwest. Has a sliding patio door as well. Here's your lanai. Looks like it has tile over the concrete floor in that lanai. Windows, lots of windows, which is a welcome addition. I'm not sure if that's temperature controlled lanai. I will check with the real estate agent and put a pop-up box in and let you know. It does have a small patio off to the side here. This is your back of your home, friends. It does have a fruit tree right there. I believe that's an orange tree. Another orange tree, several fruit trees here. Here we are in the corner of this. That is your side yard right there. That is your backyard right there. Thank you for liking. There's another fruit tree in that corner as well. I do appreciate it. Next, I will walk out into the street. I'll give you a last view of this home. Here I am exiting the home. Give you one last look at that front patio area. Very deep setback on this home. Very quiet street as well. And as always, friends, if you have any questions about this home, please contact your listing agent, Dennis or Lorna, right there, at that contact information. I'll walk to the street and give you one last view of this home. Feel free to share these videos with your friends. There you have it. 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, wood-framed Amarilla ranch home located in the village of Springdale. List price $299,900. Have a great weekend, everyone. Take care. Thank you for taking this open home tour with me here in the village of Springdale in the Villages, Florida. This 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom wood-framed Amarillo model home is offered at $299,900. Have a great weekend, everyone. Take care.